This short guide answers the search, how to buy shares of Atlanta Braves Holdings Inc., and walks you through the basic steps. Atlanta Braves Holdings Inc. is the parent company linked to the Atlanta baseball franchise, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BATRK. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading a government ID, and you must add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BATRK to find Atlanta Braves Holdings Inc. Confirm that the listing shows NASDAQ and matches the company name before proceeding. Open the stock page to review the company's summary and the price chart so you can check recent movement. Make sure the page explicitly displays Atlanta Braves Holdings Inc. on NASDAQ with the BATRK ticker to confirm it is the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend or the number of shares, then carefully review order details including price, fees, and order type before you confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. If you want to try the platform used in this example, find the link in the description below.